Zoom Hydro I ordered online. We're just going to be here doing an unboxing on this right now. So I'm going to lean you against this Comfort Intense bottle right now. There we go. So it just comes in your average everyday parcel. Hermes, whatever it's called. To dear customer. Yeah, don't need that. Meh. Okay, so we have this, right. Just gonna snap it. So here we have the Zoom Hydro. Oh, them pads. Oh, they're awkward little pads, they are. Haha. Okay. So, as you can see right now, we have a Zoom. Oh, bad. Yep, there is noise coming from it. That's because it's hard to loose. I need to fit it. Let me bring my Carrera in and I will start. Let me go get the Carrera. Oh, keys. So here we have the Carrera Vulcan. We're going to put this on. Yeah, so as you can see, it's got no brake now. No, I don't run front brakes. Getting a new headset coming too, so that's good. Alright, let's get in with it. So then what you do is you apply it here, onto here, and then if you've got zip ties, which I haven't right now, you just zip tie it along these things here to here, and I'll be back when I've fastened up to the frame. If you don't have any of these, then they come with they come the same with a lot of disc brake mounts and stuff, so these are pretty easy to find. So let's get to fitting it. I'm leaning you down here. I'm gonna, and I will show you. There's a lot of good spacing. I might wrap it around the frame a couple times, just for a while it's not applied to a bike. And I dropped one of the bolts. I'll get that in a minute. That's alright. Put that in there like so. And then bolt from where I lost it. Then just the back of you once it's fitted. It's an awkward little thing, and I need to go get my tool, so I'll be back in a minute. I have it completed. Should look a bit like this. So you have the brake, and it should feel good. That amount of travel is perfect for what I use it for, and that all them bolts down here should be nice and tight. No play. And let's go test it now. They feel really good. Just going to tell you guys, they need you need to use them for a little while before they be really good, because if they're not working, it's either your rotors, which mine are very dirty, grimy, it's either your rotors, or just give them some time to kick in. They're really good for me, they work for me. Thanks for watching, see you later.